Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from Overflex in 2025. If you're holding USDT on this platform and ready to move it to your wallet, you're in the right place. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for secure transactions. Overflex is a popular exchange for crypto trading, and with updates in 2025, the process is even more streamlined. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Overflex account. If you haven't already, download the latest app or visit the website and enter your credentials securely. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. Double check that it's what you expect. Next, navigate to the Withdraw option, usually found in the top menu or under your account settings. Select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum limits or fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. The most crucial step is adding your destination wallet address. This is where your USDT will go, so triple check it for accuracy. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Overflex might ask for additional verification, like 2FA or email confirmation, especially in 2025 with enhanced security features. Once everything looks good, hit that Confirm button. After submission, your withdrawal will enter processing. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on your transaction status in the Overflex dashboard or on the Blockchain Explorer. And hey, always prioritize security. Use a hardware wallet if possible and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Overflex in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and you'll be managing your crypto like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.